Good morning. Let's do the revision for the half-yearly examination. We have already done the revision of the lesson. Yesterday, what we have done? The revision of the lesson, family and friends. Today, we will do the revision other three lessons. Okay, children. I am going to share the PDF, the screen where you will see the book pages, and I will explain and I will form some new questions and tell the answer. Okay, children? Listen it carefully and see it carefully. Okay? Yes. Children, why do we need food? We need food to grow and fight against diseases, to get energy, to be active and healthy. Okay, we plants, animals, human beings, we all need food to stay alive. Okay, children, come to the next. And foods are from where do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. Some food we get from plants like fruits and vegetable, and some we get from animals like milk and egg and meat we get from animals now. And foods are of three types. The foods that gives us energy are called energy giving food. This is the picture of energy giving food. You can see butter, potato, rice, ghee. These all are corn. These all are wheat, rice, energy giving food. Children, if an exam this picture will come, you can identify what type of food these are. Energy giving, bodybuilding, or protective. You can identify energy giving food. Yes, of course you can do. And children, the another type of food is bodybuilding food. Like you can see in this picture, many bodybuilding food like pulses. Pulses means dale, cereals, different anaj. Milk, meat, egg, fish are called bodybuilding food. They help us to grow and make our body strong. You people, you are a smaller one. You have to become a good, big na, big. अभी आपको बड़ा होना है ना, तो what type of food you must eat? Body building food, na? If the picture will be shown of this type of food, you can identify body building food. If it is written ki rice, cereals, milk and eggs are the types of food, bodybuilding, energy giving, protective, then you can tick on the bodybuilding. And what are protective foods? Foods like green leafy vegetables like palak, you can see here, na? Papaya, tomato, oranges and spinach खाता था ना, spinach. Oranges and apple protect the body from diseases. They are called protective food. What are these fruits and vegetables? What type of food they are? They are protective food. If in such type of picture will come in exam and it will be asked, what type of food this is? Bodybuilding, energy giving or protective? Then what you will take? The protective food. This will be not written there exam में ये कुछ नहीं लिखा होगा ये जो headings है. You have to find out the correct one, identify and take. And which food is known as the complete food? Milk. What you will take? Milk. It is helpful for growth of the children. It is a rich source of calcium. And which mineral is present in milk? Calcium. And calcium help to build strong and healthy bones and teeth. Calcium is required for the growth of bones and teeth. Okay, if the question will come which one is the complete food, you can tick on the milk. Also you can identify this picture, you can identify the examples. If it will be asked what type of food these are, pulses, cereals, milk meat, yes, of course, bodybuilding food. Okay, so that's why I'm telling that read each and every line as well as the pictures. What are these pictures? Yes, children, what does this picture show? ये पिक्चर में क्या बता रहा है? We should eat fruits after washing the foods. हमको fruits and vegetables को wash करने के बाद ही खाना चाहिए. What does this picture shows? We should wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Okay, you all should do in your daily life. Now, this is the book exercise. Which food help in growth and building a strong body? Protective food, energy give or bodybuilding? Energy giving or bodybuilding? Of course, bodybuilding. Milk is a rich source of water, calcium or mineral. Calcium, which mineral? Calcium. Now, children, to stay healthy, we need to eat a balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet which contains all the things. It has bodybuilding food, energy giving food, protective food, all types of food in correct amount. That it will be called balanced diet. We get milk and meat from animals. We need energy to do work. Dash helps to build strong and healthy bones and teeth. Calcium. We must never overcook the food. Why? Because overcooking destroy the nutrients present. जो उसमें जो पौष्टिक चीजें present होती है, overcooking से वो destroy हो जाती हैं. Okay. Now come to the another lesson. Our festivals. What are festivals? The special days which we celebrate with our family members and relatives are called festivals. And many festivals are celebrated all over the world. Children, mainly festivals are divided into three groups. There are three types. Religious festival. What is this festival, beta? Religious festival, national festival, and the harvest festival. There are three types of festivals. What are national festivals, beta? National festivals are the festivals which are celebrated all the citizen of India. What are our three main national festivals? Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Children, you come to in a school uniform, you wear school uniform and come to school to celebrate what type of festival? आप स्कूल में स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहन के कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करने आते हो? ऑफ कोर्स नेशनल फेस्टिवल. आप 15 अगस्त 26 जनवरी आते हो ना स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहन के to celebrate national festival. And what are religious festival, beta? Religious festivals are celebrated by the people of different religion at the different, as Hindus, they celebrate the Holi, Diwali. Muslims, they celebrate the Eid. Christians, they celebrate the Christmas, and the Sikhs celebrate the Guru Purab. They are called religious festivals. And children, some festivals are called harvest festival. What are harvest festival? Children, you know India is the country of agriculture. यहाँ बहुत खेती होती है और different reasons में जब harvest cutting हो जाती है किसान लोग अपना खेत काट लेते हैं. After that they celebrate the festivals. They are called harvest festival. Onam, Pongal, and Baisakhi are the harvest festival. Let's read one by one in short. Children, अब हम लोग इसको we will read one by one. Okay. Republic Day. This is the national festival. On which day Republic Day is celebrated? 26 January, and throughout the country. Why we celebrate Republic Day? Many type of questions can be formed from this paragraph. From each line a question is formed. Okay. On which day, why we celebrate Republic Day? On this day in 1950, India become the republic. India republic बनी थी. इंडिया का अपना एक रूल बना था जो हमारा संविधान है वो लागू हुआ था. That's why we celebrate the Republic Day. We become a republic. Or in which year? 1950. Or a grand parade functions is held at the Rajpath in New Delhi. A question can be asked, on which festival a grand parade held at the Rajpath, New Delhi? Then you will take which a question? Republic Day. During the President of India, during the parade, the President of India takes the salute. Who takes the salute? The President of India takes the salute. Who gives bravery award to the courageous children? कौन देता है bravery award? President of India. If in exam this question will come, who gives bravery award to the courageous children on this day? Who gives? President of India. And on which date they give? On 26 January, Republic Day. ठीक है? And school children, military regiments, many of them take parts in this. And children, if this picture will come and the question will be asked, what this is the picture of which festival? You can write the Independence Day. On which day we celebrate Independence Day? 15th of August. Why do we celebrate Independence Day? Because India got freedom from British rule. हम इंडिपेंडेंस डे क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? बिकॉज इंडिया गॉट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल. अंग्रेजों से हमको इस दिन स्वतंत्रता मिली थी. इन विच ईयर? 1947. ऑन विच डेट? 15th August. So 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. Who people host national flag on building, offices and houses. And many functions are held in this. Children, on this monument, इस monument पे who unfurls the national flag? यहाँ पर एक ही इंसान इंडिया का होता है जो नेशनल फ्लैग अनफ्रल्स करता है ऑन इंडिपेंडेंस डे. कौन है वो? प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. Who unfurls the national flag on this monument? Prime Minister of India. ठीक है? What is this picture? This is the picture of Red Fort of Independence Day. And who unfurls the national flag? The Prime Minister of India. Okay? You all can do such type of questions. On which day we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti marked the birthday of great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi, who is known as also Bapu Mahatma Gandhi. ठीक है? They go to Samadhi, and where is the Samadhi of Bapu is? It is at Rajghat, New Delhi. That's why I am saying, read each and every line of the lesson, because a question can be formed. If this picture is given, you can identify what is in this picture. This is the picture of Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat, New Delhi. Where it is situated? At Rajghat in New Delhi. Come to the next. Harvest Festival. Harvest festivals are celebrated over in different seasons. In our country, they are celebrated after crop is harvested. जब crop cut हो जाती है. Onam is the colorful festival of which state? Kerala. It can be asked, which this picture can be shown to you. आपको एग्जाम में ये पिक्चर दिखा दिया, and it will be asked, identify this picture. This is the picture of boat race. And on which state this festival is celebrated? This is Harvest Festival of Kerala. This is the picture of Harvest Festival of Kerala. Okay? Okay? And I can show you some other picture also. Okay? Let's see, beta. Pongal. And Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. If the question will ask, name the harvest festival which is celebrated in 3 days in the month of January. Which festival is celebrated? Pongal. अगर पूछा जाएगा कि 3 days month January में कौन सा harvest festival celebrate होता है, you can write Pongal. If this picture will be given, you can identify this is a picture of Pongal. Okay, on the first day, houses are clean, decorated with rangolis, and the main festival is the second day. It is called Surya Pongal because the sun god is worshipped. If a question will ask, who is worshipped in the festival of Pongal, you will say the sun. And a special dish called Pongal is prepared on this day. Special type of खीर होती है जो इस दिन बनाई जाती है. And Baisakhi, this is the harvest festival, and it is the most important harvest festival of North India, that is Punjab. If a question is asked, Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu, Kerala or Punjab, what you will take? Punjab. You can do this, na? Yes. Come to the next. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Diwali is the festival of Hindus. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu and it is 3 days festival, harvest festival. 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. Mahatma Gandhi is also called Bapu. A special dish called Sivai is prepared on Eid, and Santa Claus brings gift for the children on Christmas. Pongal is celebrated for 3 days in the month of January. Yes, you can do these type of questions. Okay, children, I hope you all can do these time. And another lesson, which is a house. Why do we make house? We make house to protect ourselves from bad weather, wild animals, na? And houses are of different types. Mainly kacha houses and pakka houses. What things are needed to make pakka houses? Bricks, cement, glass and steel. Okay? And what things are needed to make kacha houses? Mud and straw. And the pictures of given different types of houses you can identify. And where we make this tilt house. What is the meaning of tilt house? A house that is made of wood poles. जो लकड़ी के poles पे बना होता है वहाँ पे उनको क्या कहते हैं? Tilt house कहते हैं. And where it is made? It is made on the places where it rains a lot. जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है वहाँ पे हम लोग इस तरीके का houses बनाते हैं. And what are a temporary house? Tent, caravans. And what is the house is called which moves on wheels? Caravan. Okay. And name the house which can be easily folded? Tent. And name the house which is made of ice. Ice का बने house को क्या कहते हैं? Igloo. You can answer such type of questions, na? I know you all can answer, na? And what are the skyscrapers? Name the building which is skyscrapers. Burj Khalifa. And houseboat, in which city it is? It is in present in Jammu and Kashmir. Igloos you can identify. Tilt house picture you can identify. And different types of room where we keep the extra things which we don't use. Extra things हम कहाँ रखते हैं? Store room में. And where do we study? In our study room. Where do we take rest and sleep? In bedrooms. You can do such type of questions. Huh? I know you can do all time. Name the house which is called as house on wheels. House on wheels किसको कहते हैं? Caravans. Now, houseboats are found in Kashmir. I know, I can see that you can do all types of questions, such type of questions. Okay. So, what you will do, you will read each and every line of the chapter. आप सारे questions को lessons को बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे. And identify the pictures also. Different types of pictures बने हो सकते हैं. It can be asked. और उस पर based question prepare हो सकते हैं. हाँ, हाउस बोट का पिक्चर दिखाया और पूछा this house is made of ice, wood, iron. अब बताओ हाउस बोट किसका बना है? वुड का बना है ना? यस. टेंट का पिक्चर दे दिया. दिस हाउस इज मेड ऑफ वुड, क्लोथ्स, आइस. तो आप क्या लिखोगे? इट इज मेड ऑफ क्लोथ्स. इसी तरीके से डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड्स का पिक्चर दे सकता है. फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल का पिक्चर आया तो देन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फूड इट इज? इट इज प्रोटेक्टिव फूड ना. आप पहचान जाओगे ना. और अगर मिल्क एंड एग, फिश, तो आप ये किस चीज के पिक्चर है? दीज आर बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. आप इस तरीके से यू हैव टू रीड, you have to think about the all pictures. What does this picture shows? ये पिक्चर किस चीज की है और क्या बता रही है. And the all book exercises and read the national festival. Who unfurls the national flag on the Red Fort? रेड फोर्ट पे कौन नेशनल फ्लैग अनफर्ल्स करता है? प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. आप बता लोगे. और ब्रेवरी अवार्ड बच्चों को हु गिव्स? प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. और ऑन विच डे? रिपब्लिक डे के दिन देते हैं. एंड ऑन विच डे इंडिया बिकम रिपब्लिक? 1950, 26th of January. Okay? Or why do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day because we got the freedom from the British rule. Such type of questions you prepare. If you will read lines, easily you can answer such type of question. Okay, children? Bye-bye, children. All the best for your half yearly. I know you are very good. You can solve each and every question. Some questions are of 1 marks and some of 2. Children, the 3 or 4 alternatives will be given. You read each alternatives. हर आंसर को ध्यान से पढ़ना. First read the question carefully, then read all 3 answers. Which is right, most suitable. ये नहीं कि जल्दी में किसी को भी टेक कर दिया. You take your time. एंड क्योंकि वंस यू विल बी टेक इट कैन नॉट बी चेंज. ये चेंज नहीं किया जाएगा ना. सो रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली एंड देन टेक द गूगल फॉर्म में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे इन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. यू ऑल कैन डू दिस. एंड द मॉक टेस्ट ऑल्सो इट विल बी गिवन. आपको दिया जाएगा. देयर विल बी 10 क्वेश्चंस. यू कैन डू दैट मॉक टेस्ट ऑल्सो. दिस इज मॉक टेस्ट मीन्स प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट आपका होगा. I know you all can do this. Children, all the best for your half yearly examination. Okay, children? Meet you soon. Bye-bye.